Hey guys, welcome back to Herbalife Nutrition Presents Bold is Fit, 50 days to get your packs out. I'm the Phantom Boss and that's Coach Mogambo. Let's go! Herbalife Nutrition has a varied range of products that complement your daily nutrition to help maintain your overall health and facilitate you to achieve your nutritional goals. Hey guys, day 6 of Bold is Fit, 50 days to get your packs out. Today, Coach Mogambo is going to show how it's done. And you know how he does it, right? Makes it look simply easy. So 12 minutes today, we have workouts for 12 minutes similar to what we did yesterday. As many reps or rounds as you can get in 12 minutes. The first workout is Russian twist. You have 10 of these followed by flutter kicks. Again, 10 of these. And finally, seated knee to elbows, 10 reps of that as well. All right, so totaling 30 reps for 12 minutes. Let's see how many rounds can Coach Mogambo beast. Okay, ready to go? I'm starting the timer. We start in 3, 2, 1, and go. It's very hard for me to just stay quiet for 12 whole minutes and watch Coach Mogambo work out, but I'm going to try and talk as much as I can because I know yesterday Coach Mogambo went on and on and on for 12 long minutes. I actually felt he had a better workout than me because I can't talk for that long. As you can see, it's been just about 20 seconds and he's already done. Move to knees to elbows, so he's gonna beast this round. How many rounds do you think Coach Mogambo is gonna get, guys? Quickest answer gets nothing, but my salute. I'm gonna guess he's probably gonna do about 10 to 12 sets in 12 minutes. That's easy for him. Is just 40 seconds down. How many rounds up? He's done 2 rounds in under a minute, guys. That's phenomenal. I wish I could be that phenomenal. So most of you would be wondering, why 10, 10, 10? You should always keep the reps high. Trust me, this is a long workout. Your core is going to be on fire. So start slow, start small. And for those of you who think 10 reps is a lot, you can always scale it up, right? If you're a beginner, maybe start with 3 reps and add a rep to every single minute, right? So maybe the first minute you can do 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So build it up. It can always be scaled up and scaled down. It's entirely up to you. So stay strong, stay motivated. Do not give up. That's the motive here. Do not give up. It's 50 days of hardcore workouts. And again, like I said earlier, if you're not going to be eating clean, what can I say? You're not going to get your packs out. 1 minute, 45 seconds. At this rate, I think he's going to be easily doing 40 rounds. Yeah. He's still sore from his workout, and you have to know this is his 3rd workout today. Yeah, so Mogambo does a lot of running, does a lot of lifting, and now the RCB's families made him do a lot of core as well. So he's going to come out way stronger than ever in the next 50 days. Summer's here, so make sure to keep yourself hydrated. Do not starve. And I'd like to point this out to all of you all. A lot of people control their water, they control their hydration thinking they won't get ripped. They need to hold back on the amount of water that they put in their system so their pack's going to pop out or they're going to look more muscular. Trust me, that's not the right way to do things. Keep yourself hydrated. I do not want you guys to dehydrate or feel dehydrated, all right? Because the brain stops functioning then. You got to feed the muscle, you got to feed the body. Let's go, buddy. Almost close to 3 minutes down. He's making it look easy as always. I'm the one who has to struggle. So Mogambo came out of the challenge yesterday. Let's get back to how many of you all predicted my age right. And we'll send them a goodie on behalf of me and Mogambo. Keep going, buddy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This is about 3 minutes, 15 seconds done. We still have under 9 minutes. Mogambo's too fast, too furious. We actually have to tell him to slow down because he's going to make the camera look like we're rewinding it. Is that the right word? Rewind or fast forward? Rewind, right?
It's also okay to take a 30 seconds break in between.
We are taking the break so that the camera people can focus on him because it's like it's some 3D effects on him because he's super fast. Can you please slow down? Make it look normal. Even his Russian twists are fast, man. I think he was driving a Formula One car when he was in his last berth. 4 minutes done, buddy. 4 minutes done. Keep going. 4 minutes done. We have 8 more minutes to go. So for those of you all at home, it's okay. I know it's a 12-minute arm wrap, but I do not want you guys to feel left out or demotivated just because you can't keep working for 12 minutes. Take a break. It's okay to rest for 30 seconds, regroup, get some fresh air, drink some water and come back. All right? All right, let's go, buddy. Nice and slow. That's it. I want people to believe that, we're not doing any 3D or 3G effects on him, so I'm asking him to go slow. Otherwise, Mogambo is too fast. We're just under 5 minutes, guys. How many rounds done, buddy? He's not keeping a tab, so that means a lot of work for our production team to count his reps and rounds. I feel bad for them. You've done about 5.5 minutes. You still have 7 minutes or under 7 minutes to go. Excellent. Excellent. Makes it look effortless. So what a way to do 50 days of core workouts during this time. The summer is scorching, guys, so we're going to burn that fat around the belly as long as we control our eating. Most of us are working from home, so guys, don't binge eat. Don't stock up on random crap that can put, your health at risk. Eat wise. Try to cook your own food. And, I know everybody deserves a cheat meal, but not every day is a cheat meal. So, space out your cheat meals maybe once in 2 weeks. If that's too much, then maybe once every week, but one meal only, guys. So the last time I was talking to somebody about a cheat meal, they thought they can go out the entire day cheating on their diet. That's not how it's done. When I say cheat meal, it could be one meal. Suppose you'd like to eat something that your heart desires, probably a biryani or a kesari bath or something, have only that for that one particular meal, then go back to your clean eating. Alright, so just small portions, not kilos of it. Alright, 6.5 minutes done. Keep going. As we're filming, our camera crew is pumped up and they're working out in their own corners. I wish I could show you the footage of that. They have a wonderful crew. Everybody wants to work out. Keep going. Apart from the guy who is filming me right now. So our goal is to make sure that one day we bring the camera crew here and make them work out while we get behind the cameras. 7 minutes done. 5 more to go. I think I'm talking a lot right now. We wish we had those, those front desk caller tunes where you call somebody and they go, please hold the line. The caller will answer your phone. Because I'm tired of his workouts.
You are the caller.
Yeah, I'm the caller.
Simple
Simple mistake, guys. I'm sorry. I'll go back to reading my English books. Come back stronger. 7.5 minutes done, buddy. You have under 5 minutes. This is where we put the music and pan out. I'll go have my tea, coffee. Come back, you'll still be belting out reps. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. Take your much needed break. Take a 30-second breather. Stand up. Stretch out your flexors. This will take a toll on your flexors. So I want Coach Mogambo to show you guys a few flexor stretches before you go back at it again. So if you're feeling stiffness around this region, please do these stretches at home. It will really help you, and also do these after the workouts, all right? So if you're cramping, take a break, take a little sip of water, do these stretches. Herbalife Nutrition Fitness Tip. Strength training increases body metabolic rate, causing you to burn more calories throughout the day. All right, with 8.5 minutes done, guys. We're just about to finish today's routine. Today is day number 6. These workouts will be available on the Royal Challenges Bangalore social media accounts, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. All right, so feel free to go subscribe and watch us. If you like what we're doing, please share the video so other people can get inspired and take up this challenge as well. All right, we have 50 days of amazing workouts coming your way. So share the love, let everybody get fit. Under 9 minutes, buddy. Under 9 minutes. Excellent, man. Come on. 3 more minutes to go, buddy. Yeah, stretch it out. Stretch it out. Take your time. You're way ahead of everybody. How many rounds done? 12. I guess it's more than 12. Easily more than 12. So Coach Mogambo threw out a challenge asking what my age is. I'm throwing you out a challenge asking what's Coach Mogambo's height.
I hope we stop with this game before we go get into more details.
How tall do you think is Coach Mogambo? He's not as tall as you think. You know how the camera makes all of us look, right? I'm 7 feet tall and I look 5 feet, so you know what I'm talking. Keep going, buddy.
Whoa!
So the person who guesses Coach Mogambo's height wins a big hug from me. An online hug. All right, in 7. All right, he's always way ahead. You have under 1.5 minutes to go. Excellent work, buddy. Excellent work. Keep going. Keep going, man. Excellent. Very nice, buddy. All right, you have 15 more seconds before we get down to the last minute. And now you'll see how he flies. And this is where our camera crew has to hold that frame and completely do slow-mo of his workout. In 3, 2, 1, go. You have 60 seconds to complete every single routine, buddy. Let's see how many rounds you can get in this last minute. I'm going to count. All right, let's go, buddy. 10 seconds up. 10 seconds up. All right, keep going. 15 seconds up, buddy. That's one round. No, come on. 20 seconds up, buddy. Come on. That's it. He's cramping up now. He's feeling the heat now. That's it, buddy. These exercises are not easy, guys. So make sure to stretch, especially areas around your flexors will stiffen up. So please stretch. Mogambo, you have 25 seconds remaining. You have 20 more seconds remaining, buddy. That's it. Keep going. Last 15 seconds. It's cramping up. In 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job. All right, that's the end of day 6, guys. Coach Mogambo's score is on fire. So till we meet tomorrow, it's the Phantom Boss signing off for today. Peace.